Have you been seeing these seeming easy animations on YouTube and TikTok and wanting to make your own, but you say to yourself that it would be too difficult? Today's tutorial is about how to make a real cartoon animation as a beginner. Unlike our previous tutorials, this one will allow you to take your animations to another level, like fully sync your voice to the character's mouth, advanced expressions, realistic poses, and if you want to go a little further, realistic movement to your character. And the good news is, you can do it with 100% free tools. By the end of this tutorial, you will have all knowledge to make these animations easily and take your creativity to another level. You will know what it takes to make basic animations and what it takes to make more advanced ones. And most importantly, you will know where it's worth for you to take a subscription. I strongly recommend to check out the previous tutorials as they cover some basics that I will not address in this video. So make sure to check out the ones on vector images, using VFX, AI voiceover, and how to animate vectors in Capcut. Let's get into it. Before you start your project, an important step is to carefully choose the tools you'll be working with. This step is very important as they will stay with you during your entire project. The quality, time, and cost of your project will depend on the tools you will choose. Let's start with the animation tools. So things have changed a lot in 2025. AI has done a great breakthrough, and there are lots of tools to choose from. Today, there are thousands of tutorials online that talk about creating cartoon animations using only AI. As you can see, they do produce some nice results, but it's only impressive in 5-second clips. I did find it hard to make consistent scenes with the exact movement and scenario that I wanted. So for the animation tool, I went for the free version of Adobe Character Animator. In the free version, you can choose from pre-configured characters and immediately start animating. And what I find super cool is that you can either animate directly from your camera. Here, I am moving my head using the webcam, left and right. I am moving my eyebrows, and it's animating it in real time. I can also speak, and the character will automatically move its lips in real time. I can change the background using a pre-configured background, or a background of my choosing. While you're recording your scene, you can also use pre-configured poses to your character that execute very smoothly. You can choose from plenty of poses depending on the character, and I can do this with a variety of pre-configured free characters. So that is the free version. And if you have a paid subscription, you have some interesting advanced features, like customize your character. You can either use the built-in tool to change the appearance of the character: head, eyes, clothes, glasses, skin color, hair, and many other features. Another thing you can do in the paid subscription is get access to an interface that allows you to use some advanced and impressive features like head turn, profiles, and tons of other advanced mechanics. I've been playing with it for a while now, and I am really impressed by how it allows you to create some very unique characters that you can animate. Anyway, so for the animating tool, I choose to go for this one, Adobe Character. And to make it easy to understand, let's imagine we create a short scene with 2 characters. Let's head up to 11 Labs and start with the voices. We'll do just a random conversation between these 2 characters, so don't pay attention to the dialogue. We pick the voice for each. For that, you can look for the keywords cartoon or animation. You generate your speech and download it in MP3 format. You do the same with each character. Obviously, you need to have a script and scene that are already in your mind. Then we head to Adobe Character. And honestly, it's impressively easy to use. You choose a character, import your MP3 file, and start recording.
Hey, check out my new outfit. I'm a cartoon character that's easily animated. I can move my head, my eyes, and my face, and I can speak. I also have some cool body animation features with just a click of a mouse.
Yeah, I know, very cheesy. But bear in mind that it's just an example. And you can use this to create much better animations, as you will see. Moving on, you can add expressions and poses. For that, drag the wanted expression on the timeline. Most free characters have many expressions to choose from. And obviously, a paid subscription will give you access to plenty of movements and options. But for a free option, I think this is very sufficient. When you're done, export your clip using the quick export in the File menu. Now, we move on to the next character. You can either choose a specific background or a simple green screen if you want to use a chroma key and insert it in the first scene. So we do the same thing as previously. Record our face movements
Yeah! That outfit looks super cool on you, and me too. I can also move my body very easily, and I have plenty of pre-configured poses.
And add our poses and expressions.
Yeah! That outfit looks super cool on you, and me too. I can also move my body very easily, and I have plenty of pre-configured poses.
Once you have both files exported, you go to Capcut for the editing part. And it's also easy in Capcut. You import your first clip and place it on the timeline. You can split it in different parts and apply different zoom levels. That will simulate camera shots. Then, when you insert the second character, go to Remove Background and use the green chroma key. This will allow you to place the character on top of the first scene. Then, all you have to do is sequence the scenes as you wish. You're the director. There are plenty of tricks to spice up your animation that are really basic. Use zoom level for camera angles. Keyframes to simulate the character movement. Mirror rotation to make character turn. And combine this with a smart script and scenario, and you got yourself a nice little animation. And to show you the example I've been working on, I used a gamer puppet on Adobe that has some nice body behaviors. I did the same with his buddy by customizing his looks, hair, face, and clothes. I also created a female character that has her own body behaviors. For sceneries and elements, I either used backgrounds from freepik.com or took some images from Google that I transformed in ChatGPT. For those interested, you can ask ChatGPT to transform a photo into a cartoon in many, many different styles. I wrote my script, a friendly gamer who just wants to play but keeps getting disturbed. I put the dialogues into 11 laps and animated my characters in Adobe. Then Capcut for the final edit with some audio effects. And here's the result.
Alright boys, new map is out. This should be a great gaming session.
Yo, check out my new skin, bro. Can't see me in the dark.
Alright guys, we need to stay packed. And don't engage with our proper comms. And please bro, don't do like last time.
Bro, that was a team of cheaters, 100%.
Alright, let's go to the factory. Should be plenty of loot there.
Alex? Alex? Alex?
One down. Two more left on the roof.
Yeah, second guy's cracked. One shot.
What you mean cracked? Still has shields. Down.
His teammates on me. Down. Team wipes.
GG guys. Another team coming in. Watch the stairs.
Don't you hear me when I call you? I need you to help me on this laundry.
Not now. Cracked.
Can't you pause your little game just for 5 minutes to help me?
It's online. You can't just pause.
You are unbelievable. And every time I ask you a
Cracked.
favor, you start telling me about some gas circle or I don't know what the hell. Anyway, the funniest thing happened at work today. Julie brought another tuna salad.
Cracked.
Like third day in a row, the office smells like a fish tank. Then my boss asks me to stay back a bit just to rearrange the filing cabinet. I mean, I have plans too, sir. I'm a busy woman. Are you even listening?
Cracked.
You know what? Never mind.
Oof. Sorry about that. Let's stay focused, guys.
Oh, it's the pizza delivery. Can you go get it, please? My hands are wet.
I'll be back in a minute. Don't buy me back yet. Buy me back.
Did you do the laundry, honey?
Dude, where's the cash?
Dude, it's fine. I'll find the money. Plenty of loot here. Ooh, wait. Someone on me.
Don't push.
One down. Two down. Oh, team wiped.
Alright. GG, man. Buy me back. Buy me back. Dude, what's up with the noise? Is that an F-16?
Nah, it's just my console, bro. There's only one team left. Try to stay alive.
Yeah, bro, we got this.
Honey, I'm home.
Sorry, bro. I gotta go.